Crowdmark's assigned assessment workflow allows an instructor to deliver homework, assignments, and exams to students that are submitted and graded fully online. This video will show you how to create an assigned assessment. From your course page, click Create Assessment, name your assessment, and then select Next. Crowdmark is fully scalable and can accommodate any number of students, whether it's a single student or a class of thousands. Select the Assigned Assessment option. Decide whether students will submit their work individually or in a group. Confirm your selections and then review your title, type, and submission preferences. At this point, you will be taken back to the Assessment Setup page where you can further configure your assessment. Manage your students or grading team from the left-hand sidebar or the dedicated roster section. Use the checkboxes to indicate which students or sections will write this assessment. You can also manage your comment library from the Assessment Setup dashboard for quicker, more effective grading. Use the Settings icon in the left-hand sidebar to edit basic information, your comment library, and grading preferences. You can also choose to lock or delete your assessment here. Next, follow the step-by-step outline on the Setup page. At the top of the page, you can type, link, or upload a short description or instructions you'd like to provide students for this assessment. Select Formatting Tips for more information on how to style text. Crowdmark offers 3 types of questions for remote assessments: image PDF uploads, text entry, and multiple choice. Edit the question label and set a point value. Enter in your question content and select Preview. Note that mathematical and chemical equations can be expressed using LaTeX in each question box within Crowdmark. Duplicate a question or make it a bonus and have it not be included in the total assessment point value. Select Randomized Question Group and Crowdmark will randomly assign a different version of the question to each student in the roster. Attach files to your questions that you would like students to have access to during the assessment. At any stage, you can see how your expressions are rendered using the Question Preview function. Multiple choice questions are automatically graded by Crowdmark and can have up to 5 different responses. If you would like to create question pools, select Create Randomized Question Group and enter your question content accordingly. To see shuffled question versions, you can close and reopen the preview window. Select the gear icon for more multiple choice question settings. From here, you can assign a point value for incorrect responses or allow multiple correct answers. Once your question content is set, preview what your students will see by clicking the Preview Assessment button. In this student view, you're able to see the time and date the exam is due, as well as the instructions and formatting. Proceed to step number 2 to schedule your assessment. You have the option to schedule distribution for a later date or distribute now. Select the start and end dates by clicking the drop-down menu and choosing a date on the calendar as well as a time. If you select Distribute Now, the start time will default to the current date and time on your clock. You also have the option to set a custom time limit for students writing the assessment, along with a lateness penalty that is applied per day, hour, or minute. Your assigned assessment is now complete. Return to the course page and select the 3 dots to easily duplicate, lock, or delete the assessment. You can begin grading once the due date for the assessment has passed. For more information, check out the Crowdmark Help Center or get in touch with Crowdmark support. We're always happy to hear from you.